Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to open your GMC Canyon hood. First, locate the primary hood release lever inside the vehicle's cabin. This lever is usually situated on the driver's side, often near the floor or kick panel. Give it a firm pull. You should hear a distinct click as the hood partially unlatches. This action prepares the hood for its full release from the front of your truck. Now move to the front of your GMC Canyon. The hood will be slightly ajar, creating a small gap. Carefully reach your hand into this opening, directly above the grille. You will feel a secondary safety latch, typically a small lever or tab. This mechanism is designed to prevent accidental opening. Push or pull this lever, depending on your model, to fully disengage the hood. With the secondary latch disengaged, you can now gently lift the hood upwards. It should open smoothly, revealing the engine compartment. Next, locate the hood prop rod. This rod is typically found clipped to the underside of the hood or along the side of the engine bay. Carefully extend the prop rod and insert its end into the designated hole or slot to securely hold the hood open. Always ensure it is stable. When you are finished, carefully remove the prop rod from its support slot and clip it back into its original storage position. Then, gently lower the hood until it is about 1 foot or 30 centimeters above the closed position. Do not drop it from too high. Finally, apply firm, even pressure to the center of the hood to ensure both the primary and secondary latches fully engage and secure it. Double-check it is fully closed.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.